Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make a menu in SwiftUI. So let's get started. First create a new project, an app, and I'm going to name it menu demo. Okay, and all that, leave it blank. Next, and let's create another SwiftUI components, add a new called menu demo. Yeah, hopefully it will finish in one or two videos, because menu is kind of complicated. Okay, doesn't really matter all that. This is my my habits of ignoring the right side, because it's like a really small project. We do not need this preview because you're going to add preview. You're going to add all these codes, parameters, argument inside, and I don't want to go through all the hassle. Okay, so basically, if you want to add a menu, really simple one, you just need to adding a menu. So vstat, let's just get rid of all this, and what I'm going to do is to bring out the Visual Studio Code, which I think currently, as I record this video, is far better than this like on-device auto-completion, because it's connected to the internet. So yeah, that's just my personal opinion. Okay, so Copilot is up and running. We're going to just add a menu. Okay, menu, we can have our content in the menu, and we can have multiple buttons in it, and label menu. Yeah, we got ellipse circle. Yeah, good. So basically, we got menu items as well as a label for that menu. So I believe you can already see the result right now. So let's just run it. Okay, so here is a very typical error. Okay, because if you use like auto completion, you will have some error. Okay, so we have to debug the parentheses. Expects in the list. Why is that? Okay, yeah, so we have to get outside of this menu. Okay, we get content inside the content, and we've got a label inside label, and maybe it's here. Okay, Command B, hopefully you can build. Okay, it's building. That's good sign. Let's just run that. Okay, build successful. You can successfully run that in Simulator. Yeah, I don't know why this is automatically switched to iPhone 15 Pro. It's not Pro Max. It's not the biggest real estate, but yeah, after a few times of automatically change back to 15 Pro, I just give up. Okay, so yeah, it's booting. So let's just wait a bit. So yeah, as you guys can see, we got this menu, we got this label, ellipses circle, right? And click, and we got menu 1, 2, 3. Okay, very simple one. But let's add more customization. Okay, so basically every button can have a specific image or specific action. Doesn't really matter. If it's an image, let's change it. Okay, let's just add variety a little bit. So instead of just using text, we can do something like this. So action, okay, and we carry out a specific action. Okay, so action, and just fill the code here with action, and then after that, you can add a add an image. Okay, and you can use as a symbol for that. So system name, and you can have a star is a good one. Star is a good one, and then you exit it. I don't know why it's parentheses coming from. Okay, so menu, yeah, button action, and end of the action. That should should do it. Sometimes you may just here, yeah, add a print statement, doesn't really matter. So you can just the actions are here. Except when you click, yeah, good. So adding a pseudo code, so make it stop complaining. And outside we got just image trailing, and we can add something like this. Yeah, I believe there's no error, so you can quickly run this code so you guys can see this like a mixed up. Extraneous label, system image in call. Yes, system name. Yes, system name. Sorry. System name. Yeah. Yeah. No. Okay, I have to do that manually. Oh my gosh. I'll just get rid of this. Yeah, that should do. Okay, be successful. But here, menu, click, yeah. So instead of just some text, you can get something like this. Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. And you can add more style, so you can sort of put everything inside of the control group, just to make things more neat. So basically, right, this is a button. All that is a button, and we got this like training system button. Yeah. So all that inside of a menu, right? And you're going to add one more control group inside here. And yeah, as you can see, I'm kind of, really afraid of like losing parentheses, because if you're using this, you might lose parentheses. So add it here. So all that button inside of the control group, and all the control group inside of the menu. Okay, hopefully this will execute as well. You can command or control I believe, just refactor it a bit, and hopefully this will build. Okay, missing. All right, there's some error. Menu contents. Okay, and we got the control group, the button action, right, outside, button. Oh my god, this is like a label. Okay, this is like the end of the button. Okay, button, and you got this label. Let's just get rid of this label. Okay, this is just getting out of control. So command and B, not B, I. So just got 3 buttons, control group, yeah, the parentheses just like here, and menu, this and this. Shouldn't give me error, but I don't know why. Still give me error. Menu content, control group, missing argument, insert localized string key. Okay, we need to have a localized string key. That's weird. Okay, it's a parenthesis problem, so I'll spend a little bit of time debugging. Okay, so basically menu content, and inside the control group, put all the bottom inside the control group, and I also add print statement, so you guys can actually see the result. And of course the label is the menu's label, so you guys can see something like this: menu, click, and instead of just giving a list, we have some style. Okay, we got a control group, we got menu item 1, 2, 3, you can click it, menu 1 clicked. Okay, I even got like a trailing system image here, so click here, menu 2 click here, 3 click. Okay, So you can change this to a lot of things, in fact. So for example, you want some like a shortcut, like for example menu item one. Let's say you have like start this article. Okay, so if you're like using a using this snippet of code as a reading app. Okay, so you can start this like a collection or something like that. Let me just search for it. Star. Okay, so star square like like hearts or like collection. I have a collection. Let me just use star. Okay, so this means that you love this. Maybe use a square. So copy name, you can actually use it here. Star square. So you have start this article, and of course you can add more trainings here. So print, not only prints, we can have a so by the way, if you want to add text, you can't do it here and add a training. So you should change the syntax, action here, and then you trading a closure, take text off. Yes, start the article. So I'll like it or collect it. Okay, and this will be say thumb up. Okay, so by the way, if you think my video is helpful, do please give me a thumb up. Alright, I really need it. I'm nearly broke right now, so that's the reason why I use Patreon or something like that. Plates, monochrome hierarchy. Yeah, let's use this thumb up. So thumb up, and of course you can have an image of system name, a string of that. Okay, it gives thumb up, and of course you get thumb down. You can start this, means that you collect this. Thumb up, maybe like it. Okay, dislike. And by the way, or maybe not dislike, like hate it. And by the way, I think there's YouTube's got like a dislike button, but ironically, the dislike button do not act as you think. Okay, maybe you think that if you dislike, this video will not get more, push, impression get less. In fact, it's not. Dislike is still a interaction. So I hate it. And then trail a text. Hate it. Okay, like it, hate it. System name of a maybe we got this thumb down. Okay, and start maybe not square, because I want it to be like a consistent. So maybe something like this. Copy name. Yeah, that should do it. Okay, it's just a star without square. Okay, let's try this. Okay, menu, click, star, like it, hate it. Okay, so you can click, start article, Okay, you can say you like the article, and then yeah, I hate it. Something like that. Yeah, I hate it. Yeah.